how to watch TikTok in slow motion. To get started, you first need to open the App Store and make sure you have installed the latest version of the TikTok. Close the App Store. Then open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok. Here you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From this page, navigate to a post you like. Then tap on the Share button from the side panel. Then from all the options here, select Playback Speed. Set the playback speed at 0.5x. You will notice the video has been gradually slowed down. There you go. You can now successfully watch TikTok in slow motion. So by following these simple steps, you can easily watch TikTok in slow motion. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.